The Olympic Winter Games 2021 are finishing. Bea, please tell us what's happening there.
So we are here on the 60th Olympic Games in Waterloo. So let's see how the week was going on. It was also a very tough competition. Through the balls, but
Let's take a look at how the competition went.
Everything comes down to this moment. Allison Felix now starting to pull away. There she goes! Katie Ledecky smashes her own world record.
Nobody doesn't like Simone.
This has been her destiny all along.
Emmanuel is going to do it! Oh!
Caleb Dressel at the wall gets it done.
This is for a medal for Great Britain. Don't pass us in the line!
Curry splits the defense behind the back. Fires a three. Oh, he puts it in. Another corner. Joe Hart has got as far as the centre circle this time.
I think so, yeah. Everybody feel yourself really great.
Right field, she is gone. Are you kidding me? It's a Minneapolis Miracle.
야, 이거 먹어봐야지 알만 좀 맛있다.
The dream has come true. Oh, they don't have him yet. Look at Tommy Frazier. How many tackles can one man break?
Watford for the win!
Yes! Yes! Swept into the end zone. Can you believe that?
Why do you feel this? I don't know. Because you
Dramatic scene as the Olympic champion carries his younger brother towards